Hello everyone, my name is Mustafiz and today, you are in MR production. Today I'm going to show you how you can install your downloaded application into Android device or Samsung device. So most of the people get trouble when they try to install application. Let me just show you in a minute. I'm going to my installed app, share it applications, say like IMO. So I'm trying to install this application, but the install bottom is not working. So people think that, oh, my touch is not working, maybe it's broken or it's damaged. But when you cancel it, it's canceling. So this problem people face when like you have some third-party application running in background. So what you need to do is go to settings and then application manager. So this is my downloaded app. I know which app is running in background. If you don't know which app is running in background into your device, just forcefully stop this third-party application like this. Forcefully stop. So I know which application is running in background in my device, so I'm going to forcefully stop this low brightness application, and another one is soft key button. So I'm going to forcefully stop this as well. So I'm going to file manager again and see my emo is there. So I'm going to try to install this again. Hopefully it should work. Install, yes, it is working. So this is how it should work. So don't get panic, just follow my step, whatever I said today. It will work 100% for you. And if it's helped, guys, make sure you like and subscribe my channel. As you can see, emo is installing. It's taking some time. It's depend on application size. So as you can see, this is this application is installed. So I'm going to press done and go back. Let me just show you one more thing. If I turn on my any of these like low brightness or soft key, these things are running in background, always run in background. So I'm going to like start this application, low brightness. Okay, it's running now. So if I go back where I was, my file manager, okay, and try to install this application again, it will not work. So this is easy to understand that, like, if you wanna install new application, third-party application especially, you have to like forcefully stop or uninstall this kind of application. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.